Ooh, back up, back up, back up, bam, 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 bam. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today we are using the Sofn'free, yes, the Sofn'free styling gel that is below 50 bucks, and we're going to try to, take our straight hair, more like transform our straight hair to this. If you want to see how I did everything, just keep on watching. So the first thing that you want to start with is to go in with a wet hair. So I made sure that what is it called, washed my hair before. You may just want to use a spray to spray your hair with water. I use cold water, plain water for that matter. And we are using Faith as our model. Welcome, Faith. So the first thing that I'm going to do, guys, is to go in with a comb. And I'm using a very small one, and you want to make sure that your hair is detangled. Mine was pretty much straightened and everything was okay, so I just went in with a small comb. And can you see, you guys, this is how the hair is looking. So we are trying to use styling gel to get the waves, guys. Like, I went to Clicks and I was looking for the gel, my hair glue that I usually use by L'Oreal, and I saw this gel because I couldn't find the other one. I was like, what if I use this gel to actually accentuate my curls? And I was like, okay, it's insane, and I really don't like styling gel because it freezes hair. And I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try, just to have fun with everything. So the consistency of this gel is like sticky in a way, and I really don't like how it feels like. But for the fun of the video, let's just keep on watching and see how everything is going to look. Well, I've already given you a sneak peek of how everything is gonna look, but just watch to hear more about my thoughts and my experience using this gel. So I'm going to apply the gel in the hair, and I'm gonna do braids. If you don't know how to do braids, guys, I don't know how to explain it. You just need to part your hair in 3 layers and start braiding. I guess you should just look for a video where they're teaching about braiding and stuff. But yeah, that is much it. So I just applied the styling gel till the end, and I'm just gonna do this throughout the hair and make sure that everything is coated. So first thing that I noticed about it was that the hair was pretty much jelly. It was wet. I actually liked how it felt, sort of. Let me just say that I actually loved how it looked on the hair. Yes, let me say it like that. Because the gel, when it's still wet, it was still okay. I felt like I was getting this wet feel of the hair. And, I just continued doing that. I really, really didn't like this process, you guys, because imagine having to do this head, like all of it. And I was doing smaller braids because I wanted smaller curls. I didn't really want more defined curls. I just wanted curly, sort of curly, the hair that is gonna last me throughout the day. So I know I'm crazy, guys, and I feel like maybe there's probably some products that can do this better, but I wanted to see and give it a try. What can we do with this styling gel, since it's the famous? If you grew up back in the village or wherever, where hair was, the known thing, and that straight up where you put gel and ipond or something like that. I think it's coming back now, but we used to do that, and the gel was cracking. If you know what I mean, guys, you know what I mean. The cracking of the hair, you would literally feel like you are touching I don't know, is it ice? It would literally crack. So they would advise you not to even touch your hair. Don't do it because you're gonna crack the style. So that is what this gel is famous for. And again, you guys, I really also gave it a try to do sort of glue my hair with it. I know it's crazy, but yeah, it just doesn't do anything. Don't try that at all. So yeah, there's pretty much nothing that I did, just to apply the product throughout the hair and make sure that everything is coated. And you guys, towards the end, because I couldn't do braids throughout, I actually just started twisting out, so I started on 3 layers and then braid, and then on the bottom of the braid you actually need to twist, that is in the layers of 2s, and so that the hair can actually stay throughout down while it's still wet, because while it's still wet it tends to go back. So you may want to try that. So I know I haven't welcomed you guys and we are very far from the video. So hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome as well. You are watching Shikunono Bold, and I do everything beauty, lifestyle, and I just want to like incorporate everything beauty, anything fun, within the lines of beauty. Yes. So if you are liking my channel, please do give it a thumbs up. Also, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Let's keep the channel growing. So yes, back to the video. This is how the mannequin is looking. I didn't do the braids throughout the video. Like, I didn't record the final part of the video because the lighting was getting bad and I just couldn't, guys. So I actually did it off cam, and this is how everything is looking. This is after like an hour. I think I left the braids for like an hour. Back up, bam. Yes, we're having a little bit of singing and dancing going on right there. Boom. So yes, you guys, I left the braids for like an hour, and it was air dried on the sun dried, if this is what it's called. So it was not fully dried. One thing that I will tell you guys is that I feel like this gel takes a little bit of time to dry. So within an hour under the sun, well, the morning sun, it was not really dried out. So I went on and used my hands, of course, to unbraid every single braid, guys. So I just did that, and there's nothing much that I did. One thing that I've noticed is that my hair was shiny. Like, guys, the glow that my hair had was insane. I really loved how the hair was shining, and the glow that this gel gave my hair. To be honest with you guys, I really loved how the curl pattern looked after I was taking out the braids. I was actually so excited, most especially towards the front. I found that the more drier ones had nicer curls than the ones that were not really dry. So I would suggest that you leave your curls for a longer time. I don't know, but when I was running my fingers through the wig itself, it was a bit frizzy. I don't know if it's a nice feeling to feel, although the look is actually so nice for photography. I feel like it's gonna this is gonna be beautiful for professional photography and stuff. As you guys can see, I'm using my hand to run through the wig, and this is how it's looking. It came out like a wet look, sort of curls, not those intense curls that I was going for, but I actually love the curls. Like, I love them. And now I'm going in with the concealer to define my scalp line, more especially if you are really lazy to bleach or dye your closure. This is another step that you may want to consider, sort of matching your forehead or whatever, your face, with your scalp. So this is one step that I really love. So now I'm going back to my Sofn'free, guys. Today we are featuring this only. I didn't glue down my wig. That is because, I was going to take it off either way because I'm not going anyway. So I'm just using a spoolie. It's like an old mascara spoolie that you may want to consider. And I'm just going to create some baby hairs. And you guys, as you can see, I actually like this wig. But the cons of this product is that it becomes frizzy. Like, if you run your fingers through it, it is like, it doesn't feel good. Unless if you're going to like not touch the wig at all. Another thing that I would say about this, guys, is that it doesn't last the whole day. It can actually just last you for the concert or whatever event that you are going to, but it doesn't last throughout the day. So it's not a 2-day or 3-day method. It's just like an hourly thing. So I'm back, and this is how they looked after some hours. They're not really bad, but they're still okay. And that was it, guys. Like, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.